No way, dude. This is so trippy. How far does it go down? Like 6 feet or so? That's so cool. Oh, there's another one. You can totally climb in that. That's so cool. Hey guys, how's it going? On an adventure. Headed up towards my kids, going to pick up my kids. But instead of going the full distance in one day, I decided I'm gonna just drive 3 or 4 hours, take a break, go for a hike, and then move on. Drive for another 3-4 hours, and then get some gas, pull over, sleep in the car, and do the same thing on the next day. Drive for 2-3 hours, pull over, take a break, go for a hike, and then I'm gonna drive for a couple more hours, see my dad for a quick second, drop some stuff off for him, and say hi to him, give him a hug. Peace out. Move on and head on to the next location, which is my kids. Well, first I'm gonna sleep, and then I'm gonna go pick up my kids. I'm gonna take the bed apart because I put the bed in the car. But I brought the drill and everything so that I can take the bed apart. Brought the seats in the trailer, so all I have to do is pop the seat in the car, pop the freezer in the front seat, and we can go camping. So the same thing on the way home. We're gonna drive probably 4 to 5 hours, find a camp spot, set up a tent, sleep for 2 sleeps probably. If I can convince him to stay a little longer, maybe we'll stay a little longer. So that's the exciting part. First I went to Kamloops, got some gas, of course, on the native reserve with my status card, because FYI, I'm native. And then I didn't really want to go all the way to Littlefoot and take that big hill over to 150 Mile House, so I decided to go to Cache Creek because I haven't driven up this way in a while. So I stopped at Kamloops Lake Resort, so that was kind of cool. So we're at 3,414 feet above sea level according to my GPS maps here. We're just sitting here on the top of the mountains enjoying the view. Thought I'd stop, record some video for you guys. Give the car a little break, let the transmission cool off a little bit, because it's just getting pushed pretty hard pulling this trailer up these hills. See you guys in the next location.
I'm not a saint, you mad? Your sugar-coated doll is not so pure, my bad. I don't give a. You stepping on me and that got my mama touch you better than that. You're mad.
Pretty freaking cool. I just freaking found the Grand Canyons of Canada. I swear. Never even seen this before or knew it was here. Or anything like this. It's really cool. It's probably not as big as the Grand Canyons, but pretty freaking neat, dude. So I'm parked way back over there. You can kind of see my trailer over there. There's the trailer way over there. block. This is what I found. I'm not going down there. That means I gotta climb up. Ain't no way going down there, man. I'd be beat tired by the time I got back up. You can really see like this like hard red layers. I'm assuming it's iron. Little bits of white. It might be gold here. There's a creek just over there, a little waterfall, but I couldn't really get a picture of it unless I had my drone with me. Breeze is nice up here, nice and cool, not too hot. It's kind of why I was like, I just want to get out, go explore, go do something, because when you get stuck into a valley, it gets really hot. So I don't feel like walking all the way around and trying to come back, but I definitely wanted to come and take a few pictures of this. It was really cool. Off to the next location, guys. Cave. I could crawl in that. You don't want to drop your phone in one of those holes. Yikes. Looks like I found me some caves at this little basalt columns here that I found. I keep finding the coolest things. There's like a little area down there. It looks like it almost can go down to a cave. They're just scattered all over this place. This is so cool. This place is called Moffat Lake Road Basalt Columns. So freaking cool. Oh, looks like there's a path on this side too. You can climb along. So cool. I have no idea how they're formed. Couldn't tell you anything about them. I just know I like basalt columns. They're pretty cool. And these ones got freaking caves. The one by my house doesn't have caves like this. It's very small. This one just goes on and on. It just doesn't stop. Apparently there's waterfalls down here. So now I want to go find these waterfalls. I'm going to keep looking. Go for a little hike down this trail. Hopefully it leads to the waterfalls. And I'll catch up with you in a sec. I couldn't find the falls, so I said screw it. I walked for a while and then it's getting dark. Tummy says it's time to stop. Tummy says it's time to stop and go eat some dinner, so now quit and get out of here, go back to the car, cook some food. So tonight for dinner I have steak. I don't know, gonna have a vegetable or potatoes. Catch you in a sec. Okay guys, I'm at the car, cooked up some dinner, some nice broccoli, some rice, medium rare steak. It's delicious, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. After this I'm going to drive a little bit and then I'm going to find a spot to pull over. I'm going to go to bed and wake up nice and early tomorrow, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Good morning. So I came down to Chubb Lake Recreational site. Just came in here last night and like 10:30 at night. It was super dark, so found a little camp spot that was empty and parked myself and set up bed and went to bed. So we're gonna get up and we're gonna go outside because I have no idea what it looks like outside, so that'll be an experience. We'll catch you when we're done having breakfast. Just made me some breakfast, some oatmeals and strawberries. Throw a banana in there, eat it up, eat the road. Seems like a little nice quiet little spot. Just noticed that somebody left their gear here, which is not cool. Somebody left it's like a boat, an air mattress, and a floaty, it looks like. I don't know. I'll go look at it later before I hit the road, but it's a lot of garbage to pack out, so I'm not going to be packing out that garbage. But there's quite a few campers here, so hopefully somebody will come and clean it up one day. I would if I had enough space. Anyways, catch you in a sec.
Welcome to unrealization. We came prepared to kill the operation. It ain't fair, but I feel it with the nation. To raise the flag and do the preparation. Welcome to reality. There's no way.
All packed up, ready to go. Hit the road, time to move on. Gotta make up some time and go get my kids tomorrow morning.
On top like forever, man. This is hard beeping after aliens. We on top of the world, we the sapiens. Do you understand massive complication there? Do you really think you know what I'm made of? My flow is so magical, I'm old, call me Gandalf. You can shine, but I'm about to go off. Follow me, wanna believe what I'm saying, but I cannot do this at all. Welcome to reality, there's no way back. 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 Welcome to reality, there's no way back.
Stopping for lunch, and I found Emerald Lake on the recreational sites list. Cool little lake. Pretty small. Looks a little gross though. I don't know about swimming in it. Unless I absolutely needed to. Could be one, but it's pretty chilly out. I'm not too fond of sleeping, or sleep. Yeah, I'm gonna go sleep in the lake, guys. I'm not too fond of swimming in a cold lake. I like warm lakes. Alright, I'm gonna make some eggs and toast, and then we'll get back on the road. Oh man. I'm gonna have to find a replacement for that one. It's my luck, guys. I knew everything was going so good that something had to go wrong. Well, I didn't expect something to go wrong, but of course something had to go wrong. I blew a tire, delaminated. I'll show a little clip here. She blew just over there. Luckily I pulled in here and it wasn't actually fully deflated, so the trailer wasn't like on the side or anything, but definitely deflated. So we popped it over here. I popped out the tire, put the spare tire on. Thank goodness I bought one, because otherwise I'd be leaving the trailer here in the middle of nowhere while I run over to get a new tire. That would suck. So that's the thing. So now I got this new tire on. Gonna hit the road, go see my dad. See you guys later. Peace. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon if you do enjoy watching. And we'll see you guys later. Peace.